It's easy to get attached to the American-made KAGE SnowStorm BLAST pusher. Designed for serious machines, from 15,000 to 30,000 pound wheel loaders and telehandlers to 100 plus horsepower tractors. The SnowStorm BLAST is built to dominate the biggest storms with simple precision and control. With floating polyurethane skids, the BLAST glides smoothly over uneven surfaces, including curbs, reducing wear while protecting your pavement and equipment. Its 65-degree attack angle delivers superior scrape, cutting through deep snow. Meanwhile, the curved moldboard delivers maximum snow rolling performance, reducing drag even in the heaviest of snows. The 12 degrees of moldboard oscillation keeps your cutting edge in constant contact with the ground, ensuring a clean, efficient scrape every time. The universal cutting edge mount gives you the flexibility to equip your pusher with high carbon steel, sectional Hardox, or sectional carbide cutting edges, such as the KAGE AdvantEDGE cutting edge system for ultimate durability and performance. When encountering hidden obstacles, the 90-degree split trip edge minimizes spillage and absorbs impact, keeping operators safe and productive, even in the toughest of conditions. Available in 10 and 12-foot widths, the SnowStorm BLAST pushes and contains massive amounts of snow. The multifaceted connection system makes it easy to attach to just about anything, with wheel loader quick attaches, 3-point hitch attaches, and even a bucket clamp option for maximum versatility. For wheel loaders, the quick attach design provides additional float, improving steering response and traction, even with strong down pressure. Heavy-duty performance, maximum versatility. The KAGE SnowStorm BLAST is proudly made in the USA. KAGE innovation, stay grounded.